Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. This is a recipe that you can do with full fat, pasteurized milk that you would buy in the supermarket. Obviously I have goats, so I've got full fat, unpasteurized milk straight from the udder, which is delicious. You want to put this in quite a big pot. Now you can do it any size. 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters. This is 4 liters of milk. The milk starts to steam, and before it boils, switch off the heat and you take vinegar. Now I make my own vinegar. This is the pot that it comes from. Here's the mother on top. Make it from apple cider, and you have the mother and it turns into vinegar. Oh, this, about 25 centiliters, is enough for 4 liters. You can put a little bit in and stir it, put a little bit in and stir it, and you'll see when it starts to work, this is what it'll look like. So, pouring in the vinegar, acid will start to work and it'll separate the curds and the whey. You see how it's thickening up here? You see how it's separating. Tiny bits are the curds. Let that sit for 20 minutes. Sometimes I let it sit all night, and you'll get all the curds that will sink to the bottom here. So as you can see, I'm just pouring it off. It's basically all gone down to the bottom. You don't have to worry about it going through the little holes. And there it is. Basically a lovely lump of curds. Bloop. How beautiful is that? It's beautiful. You can put some salt in there and make it taste like feta. You can leave it the way it is, so it's just pure curds, and add it to crepes with a bit of fruitiness in it, figs or whatever. You can add something like turmeric and give it a little bit of color and flavor. You can really play around with it. Chop up some garlic, put it in, you know, thyme, rosemary, herbe de Provence. Really play with it. You can make beautiful cheese super simple. I'm gonna put it basically into a little dish that has holes in it so that it can continue to drip, and then just put it in the fridge and I'll use it over the next couple of days. You could probably eat this the next day. It'll be perfect. And don't forget about the whey. This beautiful liquid is left over. Chop up some onions, chop up some potatoes, put some cloves in it, some spices, some spinach, some fennel, whatever you want, carrots, tomatoes, make a beautiful soup. If you're a meat eater, put in some beef, some chicken, beautiful. Okay, take care, bye.